I was thinking, am I going to have to give up something I really love? I had been diagnosed with a degenerative bone disease in my left hip. And so I started to, have problems everywhere, lower back, knees, ankles, feet, you name it. I really was conscious of everywhere I was going and what I was doing and how much standing I'd have to do. And especially with the hiking, was I going to have to give that up? In 2015, I ended up having a total hip replacement. And so then, of course, over time, things change, things worsen. I ended up going to a podiatrist. The podiatrist showed me what my feet looked like and said, you really probably need surgery. But the biggest challenge was I wanted to take a hike at our local state park, but I was not comfortable enough to be able to make this hike down to the waterfall. And I almost could have cried. In searching for help, somebody recommended Frank. It's an experience that brings you hope, and you can expect exceptional care and concern and genuine compassion and empathy. Definitely pressure-free, and it's very tailored to each person. Frank has had so much experience with different situations and different people over time that can kind of gauge what it is you need right from the start, and then he knows how to tweak whatever might need to be tweaked in order to make it work for you. In my experience, I have not found that to be the case anyplace else I've been. There's been times when the pain level was probably a 15 out of 10. Now, if it's a problem, it's a 1. And I feel like now I'm getting back to myself. And yes, I have been hiking since I've gotten those inserts. I've been back many times to thank Frank, and he's absolutely given me my life back. I don't feel like I'm losing out on anything now. And it's made it so that I am able to not think about all those things ahead of time. If I want to hike, or if I want to stand in line, or I want to walk 3 blocks to get somewhere, it's not a concern now. I have attained the hope and been given the hope that I can continue doing what I love. He's improved my quality of life, and I would say if you have tried everything that you thought could help and you haven't gotten results, you have nothing to lose by coming to see Frank.